Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today's unboxing is a brand new release for spring 2022 by Gabor. This is Blushing Beauty in the color Sunlit Chestnut. There are so many new releases and I am ecstatic. I am like a kid in a candy store every time the UPS guy arrives. This was sent to me by Wig Studio One so I could review it for the Wig Studio One YouTube channel, but I also chose to review it for you. If you are not subscribed to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel, I really encourage you to go on over there because there are not only those of us that are regular reviewers, but there are also guest reviewers. So you'll be able to see the styles and colors on different face shapes and get different ideas about what each of the reviewers have to say. I'll leave the link down below to Blushing Beauty to Wig Studio One. You could take advantage of the 30% off on weekends. And I will also leave a link to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel down in the description box. All right, I am really excited about this style. I wanted to wait until you were with me so I could unbox it. You know, sometimes I just really want to tear open the package and just open it up. Right, here it is in the box. Blushing Beauty is wrapped in a net and secured with pins, with bobby pins. Our lace front goes ear tab to ear tab. We have a left mono part that goes all the way to the crown, felt covered ear tabs, an extended nape with Velcro adjusters, and we have some stretch to the cap. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, look how pretty with those barrel curls. The color Sunlit Chestnut, this is GL10 We have a beautiful rich brown and we have caramel highlights, but the caramel it's well blended. We have that slash between the 10 and the 12, which is an indication that the color is blended. This is definitely a warm color. We're going to cinch it in a little bit because my experience with Gabor is they usually fit a bit large on my 21.5-inch circumference. So I usually take them in about half an inch or so, right around there, on both sides. And as you can tell, I am not wearing a wig grip, but if I were going out and not just on recording day, I would be wearing a wig grip. All right, Blushing Beauty, definitely a curly style. Lots of soft curls here. So if you're looking for a soft curls, barrel curls, yeah, there are some barrel curls there. I think it's a nice shorter length. The density is a light density. I would say on the lighter side of average. The volume that you're seeing is due to the curls. These fibers are beautiful. Gabor fibers, I think, are just lovely. Blushing Beauty has these really nice soft curls, and as you saw, I just mixed it with a little bit of water. The fibers are Flex Light, which is an indication that these are traditional fibers. We don't want to apply any heat to Flex Light fibers. The density is, I would say it's on the lower side of average, and the volume that you are seeing is because of the waves. but we don't have a high density here. Blushing Beauty weighs 3.5 ounces. The mono part extends right here to the crown, so it gives us a nice illusion of scalp. Very well done, as is the norm with Gabor. And if you want to loosen up the waves a little bit, just with the wide tooth comb, you could do that. If not, you could use some from Hair You Wear, the curl from Hair You Wear, and then just scrunch it, and that will give you the curls. So you wash it and the curls will just come back as they are. Even though this is a dark color relative, I mean, it's a brunette, we don't really have that much knotting, and the lace front is done beautifully. We do have great coverage. That little bit of my hairline is showing, really very minimal. Here is the ear tab right there, and here is my hairline. My face from hairline to chin is 7 3/4, and my neck is 5 inches, and that will help you gauge where blushing, I keep wanting to call it Bouncing Beauty, Blushing Beauty will fall on you. We have bangs of 6 inches, and the crown and the sides are also 6 inches. The nape is 5.5 inches, and the back is 7.5 inches. Really, really pretty style from Gabor. Because we have that beautiful lace front, we can wear it off the face and just add a little clip to it. Wear it that way. We don't have that high density, so we can tuck it behind the ears. I don't tuck it completely behind my ears because of my hairline, but it's tuckable. So I would just leave a little bit of fibers right there, and then tuck the rest, and then add our headband. And that is adorable. Many of you always ask me about the bang, so I try to remember to include it. You could add a wispy bang if you like. That wouldn't be an issue at all. All right, let's take a walk outside so you could see Sunlit Chestnut out in the daylight, and then I'll come back. Thank you, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed this review of this brand new style by Gabor, Blushing Beauty, in the color Sunlit Chestnut. Let me know what you think about this brand new style. I would love to hear from you. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.